Hello everyone, I'm Arkansas Storm Team Meteorologist Alex Libby with your latest update on this snowstorm that is set to impact Arkansas Sunday night and into Monday. So we're going to see snow, that's for sure. Several inches of snow, and with the snow, cold temperatures. And I want to stress that if you go out and play in the snow, which is fun, you need to layer up, dress in a lot of layers, because temperatures will be in the single digits and teens, and feels like temperatures will be near zero while it's snowing out. It's not very common here in Arkansas. So there's the snowstorm. It's off in the Rocky Mountains over Nevada, and it is going to be moving in our direction very soon. We have winter storm warnings in place across nearly every county in Arkansas. I say nearly because Benton County in far northwest Arkansas is still under a winter storm watch. They will be either changed over to a winter storm warning or a winter weather advisory. Again, winter storm warning, 3+ inches of snow, likely to see more impacts. Winter weather advisory, less than 3 inches of snow expected. As you can see here, nearly the entire state is expected to see a good dumping of snow. Now, the important part, the timing. If you weren't able to get out Saturday to do your errands, to get groceries, you have a few hours on Sunday morning to do so. 7 a.m., it's going to be very, very cold. I do want to tell you that. But no snow will be falling Sunday morning. Moving to noon. This is the noon midday hour. No snow still falling over most of Arkansas. But as you can see, northwest Arkansas is starting to pick up on some light snow. Again, the air is going to be super dry, so it might take an extra hour or so for that snow to begin falling. And if you do have to get out, I suggest, like I said, before 2 p.m. at the latest here in central Arkansas, because that's when it will be moving in. And notice the temperatures. This isn't the wind chill, this is the actual temperatures. When it's snowing, it will be in the single digits up north and teens for central and southern Arkansas. 10 p.m. rolls around, the snow will really continue. So that's 8 good hours of snow. We're going to see several inches of snow by Sunday night. Notice the pink colors down here. Temperatures will be in the teens in southern Arkansas, but there's going to be some warmer air at the mid-levels. That's going to allow for some sleet. That's those little balls of ice. Those little ice pellets will be falling in southern Arkansas. That's going to limit the snow totals down there. The sleet doesn't accumulate as efficiently as fluffy snowflakes, and the snow is going to be very fluffy. Not great for snowmen or snowballs, but fun to play in still. You can go sledding and stuff. But like I said, it's going to be very cold. Monday morning, it looks like it might be done with in central Arkansas. Not the case. Another burst of energy working in from the south, and that snow will continue 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 a.m. here in central Arkansas before it finally gets out of here by the afternoon. So the snow will be about a 24-hour snowstorm Sunday afternoon all the way through Monday afternoon is when the snow will be falling. After the snow is done falling, we're still going to see a lot of impacts. It's going to be well below freezing, so absolutely none of the snow will melt. Now, here's the map that you've been waiting for. Snowfall forecast. How many inches of snow is your town going to see? Well, this is the latest data. The latest numbers are showing 3 to 6 for most of Arkansas. Northern Arkansas, a little bit less. They're not going to be in that heaviest snow band. Southern Arkansas, a little bit less because of that sleet, those ice pellets mixing in with the snow. And the latest data has shown there's going to be an area where you could see over 6 inches of snow. I highlighted that in that darker blue color, east of Arkadelphia, all the way up by 3rd or near Little Rock, Pine Bluff, Stuttgart in that part of 6 to 9. Basically, in east central Arkansas, we'll have the best chance to see over 6 inches of snow. And it depends on the fluffiness of the snow. Some locations could record more than 9 inches, but overall the impacts will be pretty similar across the entire state with over 3 inches of snow falling. That's still going to cause slick roadways. It's still going to cause plenty of impacts. I wanted to mention the temperatures real quick before I end this video, and that's because the snow is not going anywhere. The past several snowstorms in Arkansas, with exception of February 2021, the snow melted quick. Well, that's not the case. We're going to have slippery roads all week long unless they've been plowed or treated. So getting around this week is going to be difficult, but we're going to have snow-covered roads for a while. Again, temperature is very, very cold. Check on neighbors, especially elderly neighbors, but any neighbors, check on them. Make sure they're okay. Make sure they have food and water that they can have just in case their pipes burst, or just check on your neighbors during this cold stretch. Also, we're going to have ponds and lakes freeze over partially here. Partially is the word. Don't ever walk on a frozen pond or lake, because if you fall in, it's nearly impossible to get out, and it's very dangerous. Again, that's your latest snowfall update. Probably have another one Sunday midday, early afternoon before the snow starts, but that's what we know now.